What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Arthur Early here. And before we get in today's video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this handsome fella here. Who is that? Haha, just joking, guys. Anyway, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure you smash this bell notification to find out when I'm either going live on YouTube or posted another video. So, if you guys were watching or have watched the last video, then you know that I talked about a little bit of what I was going to talk about today. And if you haven't watched the last video, you can go ahead and check it out right above this video right there. But I said at the end of the last video, I'm going to show you a secret source on how to get buyers with credit cards in their hand for your product or service. And I'm going to do that by explaining exactly what a solo ad is, where you can find it, and how you can go about using it in your business. All right, so what is a solo ad for those of you that are brand new and maybe never had run advertising or don't know what a solo ad is? I'm going to break it down right here for you guys. All right, so right here, a solo ad is right here. It says the definition, and this is from CEO Competitors, so you could actually see exactly what it is that they're talking about as far as what a solo ad is. Basically, what you're doing is you're borrowing somebody else's list. They're sending your product or service out to their subscribers that have already been vetted. And by vetted, I mean they've already been warmed up. So this is a warm audience to them. Might be cold traffic to you, but it is a warm market to them. So they're sending them your product or service. They click on it, they open it, they enter their email address, and they become part now of your list. So it goes on to talk about how to go ahead and purchase solo ads. And that's what I want to dive right into today, how to go ahead and purchase solo ads. I purchased solo ads from a solo ad vendor called Udemy. All right, and it's udemy.com. And what I'm going to do for you in the description of this video is I'm going to go ahead and put my Udemy invite code for up to 15% off your next order, guys. All right, so if you want to get started with solo ads, make sure you use my code, 15% off your order, guaranteed. All right, so let's jump right into it, guys. So there's one of two ways that you can use Udemy. All right, the first way is to find, you see it right here where it says find sellers. You can go ahead and find sellers. So let's click on that. And what I'm going to do is show you how I go about finding sellers. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have a price point that's no higher than 70 cents. Industry standard, somewhere around 70 cents, anywhere between 50 to 75, maybe 80 cents per click is where you want to be at. I know there are a lot of other people out there that claim that they have better so-called traffic when it comes to solo ads, and they go ahead and they charge more. Not 100% necessarily the case. All right, you want to make sure that this solo ad vendor, people that have used them, have gotten sales. You want to make sure they're active online, they're ready to fill orders. Now, in yesterday's video, I spoke about the three core markets, which is health, wealth, and relationships. Now, if you market any of these products, and where it says right here, any niche, you can click on exactly what your niche is. So if you're in health and wellness, okay, you can click that. They will send your product or offer or service out to people that are looking for health and wellness products. If you are looking for wealth or making money online, you have marketing or finance here. And if you're looking for relationships, that would be social, guys. All right, so these offer a lot of different opportunities. That's why I like this, because it has a vast majority, so you can promote basically anything, and you know that it's going to get to the right people. The right buyers are going to be seeing your advertisement. All right, so let's go and move along where it says sort. You want to make sure that the solo ad vendor that you're using has gotten feedbacks of people who've gotten sales. All right, so that's why I like to use sales. Ratings and prices are good, but you want to make sure and use sales. Next is ratings. You want somebody that has high ratings. Okay, so let's go down the list a little bit and take a look. As you can see here, gentleman here has gotten 2,500, 1,500. All right, so you want to try to use somebody that's got good ratings. Also, you want to be able to start your traffic within 24 hours. You want to make sure those people see that offer as fast as possible. Get that offer out to those eyeballs, guys. You don't want to be waiting around 48 hours, 3 days, 72 hours. No. You want to go ahead and try to get that money immediately, guys. So make sure your solo ad vendor is able to start your traffic within 24 hours. And sometimes they will be able to fill that order within 12 hours if they have open spots to fill and enough list to fill. Okay, another way that you can find solo ad vendors, all right, in the same way, is solo deals. This is what I particularly use, solo deals. And what this is, once again, all niches, you could break it down. So let's say you have a Bitcoin offer. Boom, you want to do Bitcoin and make sure, all right, who's going to be able to show my deal? All right, I leave it open. I leave it open for all niches. You want to search. Now, another thing is you want to make sure that you go ahead and use the guidelines that I said before as far as pricing goes. But one thing that I want to show you guys here is the amount of orders. The more orders that a solo ad vendor has, that means that more people are using them. Why would more people use a particular solo ad vendor over another one? That is because they're getting results from those solo ads. So you have 172, 1,047, this one 5,300. All right, this guy's online, 100% T1. Now, what does T1 actually mean? T1 means tier 1. Okay, English-speaking countries, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, you know what I'm saying? Those English-speaking countries, and those countries that have a higher net worth individual. Okay, you don't want to buy traffic from, let's say, Ghana, or maybe Brazil, or maybe somewhere in China. I'm not saying that you can't get traffic from there. I'm not saying that there's not people online looking for opportunities in those countries, but a lot of those countries, they don't read English, they don't speak English, they don't have a lot of money to go out and invest in themselves, guys. So you want to be careful, and you want to make sure it's going to be tier 1 buyer traffic. Now it says with 15% over delivery. So let's just do some simple math, because I'm not really crazy good at math and stuff like that. I'm simple, guys. I'm simple, and I make money online anyway. All right, so let's just say you buy 100 clicks. Okay, see, 100 clicks, and with 15% over delivery, that means you bought and paid for 100 clicks, but you received 115 clicks. All right. Now, 25 to 80% opt-in rate means out of the 100 clicks that you purchased, 25 to 80 people are going to enter their email address into your offer. Okay? 80% is extremely high. 25% is a little low. Industry standard is between 35 to 40% depending on your landing page or depending on your funnel. If you have a really, really high converting funnel, you could see as high as 60, but 80% is high, guys. Very, very high. All right, so that is something that you want to take into consideration. 5,300. It's like something like this. Last seen 6 hours ago. Not online. All right, 17 orders, and it's only 95 cents a click. Now, why do you think this guy only has 17 orders, 95 cents a click? Okay, that's because maybe he's charging too much, maybe he's new, maybe he hasn't been on the circuit for a while. You know, things like this take into consideration, and I'm trying to help you guys by showing you how to pick the right solo ad vendor. All right, so you want to keep on going on. Look at this guy. He's online now, 40 cents a click, high sales, high opt-in rates, USA only. That's good traffic right there, guys. And he's gotten over 4,000 orders. All right. So, you know, this is just to give you a quick overview of how to go ahead and hand pick a solo ad vendor. I'm not saying exactly which one to use. That's up to you. Okay. So how do you go ahead and place an order? So let's just pick this one for an example, right? So what you got to do is you click on him, and then as you can see here, I've used them in the past with great results. So you pick the amount of visitors you want to your landing page, okay? You could start at as low as 50, and you can go all the way to 1,000. What you're going to want to do here next is you're going to want to click Prime Filter. Now, as you can see, for 1,000 visitors, okay, 403. Now, once you click Prime Filter, it says right here, you see a little pop-up percent. Usually gets higher opt-in rates with those Prime visitors. Now it goes to 433. So for only $30 more, you're getting Prime customers. Now, these are the customers that have their credit card in their hand, ready to buy your offer. All right. So the next thing you do is you go ahead and take your affiliate link or your website, and you put it right here. All right. You put it right here, and you make sure that they're able to see it. Now, there's another thing where you can go ahead and send them your ad copy, or you can have them write it for you. All right. And as you can see here, his average traffic geography is all USA, guys. 100% top tier countries. All right, so this is how you go ahead and place an order. And once the order's finished, you want to make sure that you rate him. And if you got good traffic, even if you didn't get any sales, you want to make sure that you, as long as the traffic was delivered well and it wasn't bot traffic, because, you know, sometimes when you place solo ads, you're not going to get initial sales. Okay, but at the same time, you're building your list. All right, so that's very important that you understand that you're building your list at the same time. All right, so you have something that I also want to go over, which is ad text. Ad texts are, you know, text that you can write if you want to write your own ads, if you don't want to write your own ads, and they have people that can write ads for you. Money is basically if you have any balances due. Sometimes there's a balance. Maybe you place an order and the order didn't go through. Your money will go right back into your account. You could set up your own landing pages. You could actually activate Prime, get certified with Prime. You know, also you have a chance to become an affiliate. And once again, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put my affiliate link down below, guys, for you. So once you click on that, you get 15% off your order. All right, just by using my affiliate code. That's my gift from me to you. All right, so guys, this right here is how you go about and buy and set up solo ad traffic, guys. All right, so I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up or go ahead and comment down below. If you are familiar with Udemy and who you guys use, also, you can see what you bought, what you sold. You could actually become a solo ad provider. You could actually sell orders. As you can see, guys, here I've placed several orders. I'm full disclosure, guys. I'm just sitting here trying to help you guys. I'm full disclosure. I show you guys, who I've bought from, what I've done. All right, guys. So listen, go ahead, click that link, get started, get some traffic, get those customers into your business and make some money, guys. I will talk to you on the next video, so watch out for that. Bye for now.